ECAT says, how do I get my business to show up in the local pack on Google Maps? Again, this is like the Raj question. Um, we don't have time. We got 4 minutes. That is a very broad question. If you add some more specificity to the question, I can help. Because we could spend the next 3 hours talking about all the things that you could do to rank in Google Maps. Best thing to do is have a verified Google business profile that's optimized thoroughly, connected to a well-structured, optimized site that is efficient without bloat and redundancy, which is what we just talked about. And then to increase brand relevance, which means by building branded and supporting assets, publishing branded content, and getting reviews. Those are the three most important things right now. The two most important things are branded location authority or strength and site efficiency. And then you validate those by receiving reviews. Does that make sense? So getting engagement signals, which includes collecting reviews, right? So to rank, branded location authority or brand strength for a specific location, efficient site that's structured well without redundancy, duplication, etc. And then you validate the ranking performance and maintain it by engagement signals and collecting reviews, which is part of engagement signals, in my opinion. Does that make sense? That's the three big ones. The three biggest levers we can pull, those are them right there. But then each one of those levers have a number of items that have to be executed in order to pull those levers, so to speak. So